Hi everyone, I'm Zachary, and today I'll show you how to keep your online identity safe. Every day, more than 6 million private data records are stolen, but you can use ID Theft Guard from MacKeeper to easily confirm that your online passwords are secure. Let's see how it works. How to scan for data leaks. First, I'll check my business email. Looks like it wasn't compromised in any data breaches, and my linked private data is still safe. For now, I'll remove it from the list. Now I'll put in a personal email to check with ID Theft Guard. Oh, it looks like it was compromised in 14 data breaches. To see exactly what private data was leaked, I need to verify this email address before I can see any sensitive leaked data. I got this verification code from my inbox for this email address. Part 2. What to do if data breaches are found. The right panel of the ID Theft Guard window previews all the data breaches my email was compromised in. If you need more details about a specific data breach, click the triangle button just left of the source title to read the breach description. You can learn more about the breach and resecure your account accordingly, including updating your leaked passwords. Part 3. How to change leaked passwords. For privacy reasons, MacKeeper takes you to each account page so you can change the passwords directly there. After you change a password, you can mark it as changed, and MacKeeper will remember this so you won't have to check the same breach over and over again. In order to keep my accounts from being hacked with leaked data, I'll change the passwords for all of my compromised accounts. Part 4. How to start 24/7 data breach monitoring. To keep my email and linked online accounts safe, I'll turn on Data Breach Monitoring, a feature that permits ID Theft Guard to scan the web 24/7 for any leaked account credentials. Just click on the Turn Monitoring On button and your email address will be protected from new data breaches. The tool will alert you if it finds any compromised data. Great! Now go ahead and scan your own email for data breaches. Here is how. If you have any questions or feedback, contact me in support chat or email. I'm Zachary from MacKeeper. Thanks for watching.